Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable smoothies for weight loss. Vegetable smoothies are a fantastic tool for managing your weight. They are incredibly nutrient-dense, providing essential vitamins and minerals without excess calories. The high fiber content helps you feel satisfied for longer, naturally curbing your appetite. Plus, they are super easy to prepare, making healthy eating accessible even on busy days. To create an effective weight loss smoothie, focus on key ingredients. Start with a generous handful of leafy greens like spinach or kale for vitamins. Next, add a protein source, perhaps 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt or 1 scoop of protein powder to keep you full. Don't forget healthy fats like 1/4 of an avocado or 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for sustained energy and satiety. Finally, use low-sugar fruits such as 1/2 cup of berries for natural sweetness. Let's make a simple, effective smoothie. Combine 1 cup of fresh spinach with 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk in your blender. Next, add 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt and 1/2 cup of mixed berries. For an extra boost, include 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Blend everything on high for about 60 seconds until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. This recipe provides a balanced, satisfying meal replacement. For optimal results, remember a few key tips. First, rotate your greens and fruits to get a diverse array of nutrients. Pre-portioning ingredients into freezer bags can save you valuable time in the mornings. Adjust the amount of liquid to achieve your preferred thickness, whether you like it thin or thick. Always listen to your body and consider consulting a nutritionist for tailored guidance on your weight loss journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.